Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, ready? Go.
Alright.
One.
To do salvia for the first time. Have fun.
Salvia for the first time.
Y'all have fun out there.
Y'all have fun right now.
Frenzy, staying here is not a bad decision. I prepared for this.
I finally did it. I've made my decision about what
Okay,
to
take
say.
the flame off.
It took a lot of soul searching, but in the end...
Haley, please come with us. I can't, Mom. What of the animals?
Why you have to say it like that?
Richard. Gross. Richard Tizgowski.
Sorry.
What an exciting first date.
We're not dating, you miserable.
You feel anything?
You're
Nothing?
funny.
You have to, you got it. It's gonna blow it out.
Okay.
Uncle and Shari.
Nothing we can do now but pray and strip all the copper
I feel a
piping out
little
of their
bit
house.
tingly.
If you'd gotten in that vehicle, you'd be
Where it
dead.
starts.
We left this morning like I wanted.
Okay.
We'd be safe at Mama and Baba's right now.
We're safe here. The generator's working. The place is sealed tighter than an unlubricated Consul valve. Maybe the more obvious joke goes Swansea tribesman's Nook with a pre-Monsey ritual.
Dad, we didn't seal the drainage and allow
Alright.
the water to pass into the house.
I'm gonna lay down.
Without that, the water will put too much pressure on the structure.
Steve, easier than an architect.
How do you feel?
Hiya, Barb. Some weather, huh? Doesn't mean you
I
know
feel
everything
okay.
about that, Prince of the Lewis.
What's going on?
About this house, we're moving.
Kind of like
I see
the
that.
blanket is on. The blanket is on me and it's coming off.
Just as I suspected, the water couldn't pass under the house, so it pushed it over the foundation. See, Stan? Sealing up the house and
You good?
staying here sounded like
No.
okay decision.
No?
But look what happened.
You alright?
Yeah, you're good.
Sound good.
You're good, Tonic.
You're okay. You're still on the couch, bro.
Right, you go get them. They're outside.
Where?
Just outside, anywhere. Just go find them. It's a game. I say we go up to the highest, safest part of the house.
We should stay down here. If rescue comes, we can climb
Oh,
right out the window
fuck.
and onto the boat.
You know what? Fuck. Anyone smart or loyal enough to take my side in this, come with me to the end.
Haley, don't listen to him.
She's made up her mind, Francie. Just like how I normally make up your mind.
This is different.
Do you like
Your
it?
thoughts?
It's not bad.
Change.
Pretty-
Saucy.
Shut up.
Chicken butt. Chicken
Oh.
Stan, what are you doing?
I'm dropping an anchor to stop us. We can crash into something and sink.
Yeah, this is different. This is fun.
Sounds like a good plan.
Oh, fuck.
What's on your history?
My wine fridge. I had my cocaine in there.
Dude, oh my god.
Francine, it was a good idea and it worked. Thanks to me, the Smith family is safe.
Oh my god. No thanks. I'm never smoking that shit again. Dude, you guys.
What?
Oh,
You didn't like it? I'm sorry.